Learn how to make breakfast, lunch, and dinner for your baby. Watch the video to the end and share. This very breakfast is for baby as from 6 months old. Your baby can take this. So the measurements is in this video. Watch this video to the end and remember to like and share. If you have not subscribed, you can subscribe. This method is if your baby does not use bottle. You know, some children don't like taking feeding bottle, so you can do it like this. You dissolve it very well and use spoon. But my baby is going to be using bottle. It's going to finish everything. Look at it. Look at the way it's enjoying it. So you can use any biscuit. There are biscuits in the market. They wrote it there that is for babies. Don't go and use sweet biscuits. This one is for lunch. Yeah, your baby will love it so much. You that is saying your baby does not eat, have you tried this one? Don't even go and buy bottled food that has preservative and you don't even know how they prepare it. Do it yourself. Everything you need to do it is here. Just blend it. Your baby will eat it and be licking mouth and still want more for 6 months old. If your baby is 8 or 1 year, you can still eat it, but at from 6 months and it's ready. Do you see that? Your baby will eat it and be licking mouth and still want more. So this one is dinner. The measurement is here. Just read everything you are seeing there. You will understand it. Remember to share this video, please, and comment where you are watching from. You know, this is how I was doing it for my baby. The bottle food. If you do this food, you will not even like to buy the bottle food. If you do this food, you will not even like to buy the bottle food. Do it yourself. It's more better. It's more healthy for your baby. Okay? It's not difficult. Remember to like this video, please. This is Tonia Light TV 2. After watching, help me share. So this very one is for baby as from 6 months old. It's not just for 6 months old alone. You know, even me, I can eat this very one. But you know, baby does not have teeth to chew. So we are going to be doing it in a way that baby will be able to eat it. And you will see your baby will look fresh. Your baby will look fresh and look very healthy. And people will be saying, what are you feeding your baby with? Look at it. So your baby that has teeth can eat this one. Maybe 1 year, 9 months, 11 months. I don't know. But even adult can eat this one. But for your baby that does not have teeth yet, you blend it, add 5 tablespoons of water. Make sure you use clean hot water. Thanks for watching. Please share. Bye.